With a limited edition upgrade kit, that is available only in Europe for the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT, Shelby has set foot in the electric era. The electric all-wheel drive car is modified with the Shelby package, and is based on the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. The Shelby team worked on making it lighter, smoother, more appealing to the ear, and more performance-oriented in terms of design. It also includes a brand new sound system from Borla, that imitates the sounds made by an internal combustion engine. It uses a custom algorithm to process the RPM, power, and torque outputs of the electric motor to create what is marketed as a hyper-realistic sound. According to David Borla, Chief Marketing Officer of the exhaust company, much of that experience is missing without the real-time feedback of motor and vehicle dynamics through sound waves and vibration. The Alphard 500e and Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept also employ comparable technology. What do you think? How does this sound compare to Dodge sound? The running gear of the Mach-E GT is basically unaltered, and its dual motors produce 480 horsepower and 634 pound-feet of torque. Shelby hasn't said how much the carbon fiber components lighten the SUV's 2,198 kilograms, 4,846 pounds, curb weight, although it isn't anticipated to do so considerably. The base vehicle can be a 2021 to 2023 model or a brand new one. Now is the time to get in line to acquire this collectible, whose starting price is €24,900, not including the base vehicle.